I am Imran from your learning center. Today we are going to learn what to say when someone does something good for us, when someone does something better for us. What we should say? Do you know when someone does something good for you? What you should say? What you have to say and how you should say? How you have to say? If you know, okay, fine. Then keep watching my video until the end. You will get more ways, more information about this topic. And if you don't know when someone does something good for you, what you should say, keep watching my video until the end. You will know many information, many ideas. You will get many ideas so that you can use when you need to use. So in English, there are many ways to say thank you. But today I'm going to talk about thanks, thanks to you, and thank you. First of all, I want to start with thanks and thank you, because these are the most common ways to express thanks in English. So thanks and thank you mean the same thing. However, thank you is a little bit polite and a little bit more formal, and thanks is a little bit less polite and a little bit less formal, because they are not very different in most situations. You could use either thanks or thank you. You can use anyone. You could say thanks or you could say thank you. Here really significant is that how you say it. Do you sound more sincere, more genuine, or do you sound fake, insincere? For example, if I say thanks, thank you, notice here thanks. If someone is standing in front of me and he's talking to me and he did something good for me and he's in front of me, and after showing his action, the things he done for me, good thing, then I told thanks, thank you. Notice the expression, my face condition. So I didn't sound sincere, very sincere. So the other person is not gonna really feel it. On the other hand, if I say, suppose someone is standing in front of me and he did something good for me, and he when he shows me, then watching this, seeing this, I told that thank you, thank you so much, thanks, thank you very much. So it will feel a little bit more sincere, because I made eye contact and I used more personal voice when I spoke to the person. So the difference between thanks and thank you is not very big. Thank you is a little bit more polite, and thanks is less polite. But really, in most situations, it doesn't matter. You can use anyone. So I can say thanks, I can say thank you, but I can't say thanks you. Why not? Let's look at the longer version of the sentence. I would like to thank you. I would like to thank you. I'd like to thank you. Very quickly, in short, I'd like to thank you. So here, if we cut down, if we shorter the sentence, then it will remain thank you. Just thank you. It's just thank you. Notice here, I would like to thank you. So from I till to, if we cut down, if we hide the sentence, if we erase, if we delete this part of the sentence, then it will remain just thank you, thank you. So if we cut down this part of the sentence, I would like to, this part, then rest of the sentence is just thank you. So thank you, it is short version. Longer version was I would like to thank you. So we can say thank you easily. And when we use thanks, we have an s ending the thank, the word thank plus s. So thanks is using the noun form of the word thank. So we have thank, we have thanks, and it is plural, and it is also noun. So we have thanks, but we don't have thank. We can't use thank as noun, we can't use, but we can use as verb. For example, I would like to thank you, I would like to thank you so much, thank you very much. So we can use thank as verb, but we can't use thank, only thank without s, ending s. Without ending s, we can use as verb, but we can't use as noun, because noun is thanks, and it is always plural, it has no singular. So whenever we want to use this word as a noun, so we have to use thanks. It is plural, always plural, it has no singular. So we can use as noun, but we can use as verb, as noun thank, only thank without ending s. Let's look at the longer version of the sentence. Maybe I would like to express my thanks. Notice here, I'd like to express my thanks, I'd like to offer my thanks. So here similarly, previous longer version, if we cut down, if we erase, if we hide this part, beginning part of the sentence, then it will remain just thanks. I would like to express my thanks. So from I till my. If we cut down this part of the sentence, hide this part, erase this part of the sentence, delete this part of the sentence, obliterate this part of the sentence, whatever you say, anyway, if we cut down, hide this part of the sentence, then it's just thanks. So we can say thank you, we can say thanks. So to summarize that, thanks you is not correct, because thank you uses verb form of the word thank, and only thanks is correct, because this one uses noun form. Only thanks is correct, because this form uses noun form of the verb, and it's always plural. So thank you and thanks both are correct, we can use any one. Then what about thanks to you? Yes, we can use it in a positive sentence. Thanks to you, I passed the exam. You helped me study. Thanks to you, I passed the exam. So thanks to you means this is because of you. You made this happen. It might be good, it might be bad. So thanks to you means this is because of you. So to review, we have thanks, we have thank you, and thanks to you, but we can't say thanks you, it's not correct. So when someone does something good for you, you should say something to satisfy the person, to gladden the person. So you can use thanks, or you can use thank you. So when someone does something good for us, we should say thank you, because your saying thank you will inspire the person to do more good things for you. So why not you say thank you? You should say thank you. Of course, you must say thank you, because your saying thank you will bring lots of happiness, lots of good things for you. Your saying will inspire the person, and the other person will do many things. Other person does many things, will do many things good, many good things for you. So why not you say this? Of course, you should say this. When someone does something good for us, we shouldn't ignore, we shouldn't delay, we shouldn't linger. Instantly, we should say thank you so much, thank you very much, thanks a lot. Anyway, we should say something to glad the person, to glad the person, to please the person, to satisfy the person. We should say something. It's thank, it's thank you. So every language has some sentences to say thank you. For example, in Arabic, sometimes we say jazakallahu fid dunya wal akhirah. Jazakallahu fid dunya wal akhirah. It means may Allah reward you, award you here and hereafter, the life after death. In Hindi, thanks, shukriya. Thank you, आपका शुक्रिया. Similarly, every language has some sentences, some words to express thanks. So we should use these sentences when someone does something good for us. And really this expressing, this saying will bring more happiness for us. So we should use this sentence in our conversation. So try to memorize this and try to use this in your sentence. When you need to use, don't linger, don't ignore, don't overlook to say thank you, thanks, thank you so much, thank you very much. We should use this and keep practicing as much as you can, then it will be more common to you, more easy to you. When you need to say, it will automatically, it will come out from your mouth. So try to practice. I hope you understood the lesson properly. See you next time, see you soon. Till then, keep watching our videos to improve your English. If you practice, if you exercise more and more, your English level will be increased. You can see improvement. So for developing your English level, you need to practice. You need only one thing, it's practice, exercise. Without exercising, without doing practice, nobody can improve second language. So to learn second language, we need practice more and more. I hope you are clear. I'm clear to you. So keep practicing. Keep practicing. See you next time. Bye.